Welcome to the Firenzecolor classroom. Once again, we're going to do a demonstration of Africa, but we're going to do it with one coat. We have a special primer called Novalux. It's a beautiful, great primer for all our metallic paints that we carry. For the Swahili, for the Dunes, for the Anima Mundi, for the Africas. It's great. It's amazing. So now, how we do it, I tinted it to a color very close to the Africa. We're going to just grab it. It's thick enough that you could trowel on, and thin enough you could add a little water to it and you could roll it on. Okay? So first we're just going to put it on. And because I'm putting one coat of the Africa, I'll do a little texture of it. Meaning a minor texture, meaning just very little. You probably won't be able to see it through the camera, but it's there. Just want to cover it all up. You cover up your whole wall with the primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I love this primer. And you will need your stainless steel trowel again. Okay? Always. Most important. This is the most important tool you could ever have for work like this. Venetian plasters, metallic paints, stuff like that. The thing about our metallic paints, they're thick enough that we could call them metallic plasters. That's another reason why everybody loves our metallic plaster paints. We do a little wannabe texture here and there, little there, little there. When that dries, it look like this. Very simple, very easy to do. Let me clean this out real quick. One thing about stainless steel trowels, they clean very easy as well. Now what we're going to do is put the Africa on it, one coat. But one thing special about this Africa that we did, we added some metallic flakes into the Africa. It's beautiful. What it is, it's metal mica flakes. I don't know if you guys can see it on the TV. It's beautiful. It's very soft. It's like powder. It's like, it's beautiful. You would love it if you guys could see it. Okay, what we did is we added this like 100 grams to 1 liter of the Africa. Okay, and then we're gonna apply it, one coat. This is the Africa, so metallic paint. So now I'm gonna put it on. But one thing, remember now, the texture from that I gave underneath from the primer is going to pop through from the top. Come back, clean my trowel out. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my trowel flat on the wall and going into all circular motions. What that does is brings out the metallics more. Clean it. Now what you could also do to create a little bit more texture, you can add in some areas a little thicker. Remember, it's just a one coat step. One coat step. And then you can just come around, put a little texture here and there, there and there. You can see how beautiful this looks. Always want to take a tape so it looks nice and clean. One coat process with the primer. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in it from the camera. But the main thing is it's just a one coat process after the primer. Come back with your trowel. And of course you could do a bicolor of it. You could do different colors of it, like a two-tone on it. You know what this sounds like? Easy money. Very simple to do. Thank you for watching Firenzecolor Classroom. Once again.